400 years old. Got the spices up there. I wonder what's gonna happen with them. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Very good.
How are you?
It's too noisy to talk, so just keep your eyes open. Look at this color. Assalamu alaikum. I just took the rickshaw and he told me he's your father, right? Good morning guys, and welcome back in Peshawar, Pakistan. So that random phone call was from the driver's son, because the driver didn't speak English, and he recommended to visit the Mahabat Mosque. We have a beautiful fountain up in the middle. Look at this design. 400 years old, and the white marble is still shining. This is the first time I'm seeing a mosque in the Mughal style. Let's check out the prayer hall. Look at the details. What a craftsmanship. A lady reading hospital. Camera. Yes, my friend is bringing me to Namak Mandi. A very good guy, he gave me an honest price, so we're gonna give him a little bit extra, of course. Your name, brother?
Asad.
Asad. Sufyan. My name. Sufyan, yes. Alright guys, welcome back at Namak Mandi. I'm gonna look for some food. I am not sure what I'm gonna eat. This is the food street, and we're gonna see what we can find. I think many stores are closed at the moment because it is in the middle of the day. It's very hot. Most people are taking a nap or having a tea. Let's check it out. This is where we're gonna eat. It's basically like a garage or something. They say Morocco has one of the best satay in the world, but they have just been defeated. We're gonna try some Chapli Kabab. What would you say?
Chapli Kabab.
Chapli. Yes, we're gonna try some Chapli Kabab. Got the spices up there. Now will be fried very intensely. I have no idea where to go next, but I think there is another area of food. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good? Assalamu alaikum. Your name?
Yes.
You? Nice to meet you. Sufyan. Look at this. We have a whole alley selling medicines. Assalamu alaikum. Check this out guys. Assalamu alaikum. Very good.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are you guys? I wonder what's gonna happen with them, but I think I know. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Good.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah. You good? Guys, as you can see, it's getting busier and busier with every minute. Let's cross this road and check out the other side. So, if you need any carpet, guys, come to Peshawar. There are classic colors, but also some modern, even artificial grass, as you can see. Assalamu alaikum. So I think we have just found another market. Look at this building. let's see. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you, bro?
I really love this style of traditional markets with people selling on carpets, all kinds of random stuff. You make it? You make? You? Okay, let's try it out. We got a self-made ice cream and the guy didn't want to take the money from me. And that is typical thing in Peshawar. Unbelievable sometimes. We've got a street perfumer. How are you, brother? Good? Very, very busy. There's so much happening, guys, and it's too noisy to talk, so just keep your eyes open. Guys, check this out. That's right, guys, in case you're looking for some dance, it is available. All sizes. Did you see that? Can you imagine a money changer in the middle of the street in Holland? Because I cannot. And they say this is a dangerous place. Got some more teeth. Some watches, hair combs, slippers. It reminds me a lot of the markets in Morocco. Basically the same, a lot of Chinese stuff like chargers. Nassim, the driver, has invited me for a lunch, so let's go back, guys. He's selling. Really? Assalamu alaikum. नाम क्या? This the youngest broker maybe on the market. Enjoy, brothers. All right, we are back at the hotel, and look at this. He gave me another present. Beautiful. It's about midnight and I am very hungry, so I am on my way to Namak Mandi. The hotel owner actually has advised me not to go out. We're gonna check out how dangerous it is after midnight. We're gonna check for some fruit, guys. These look very nice, these mangoes. Can you believe that this is only 30 cents? And I've already eaten a couple of these. From Afghanistan, and it tastes so delicious. I haven't had one in a while. So as you can see, Peshawar is not dangerous at all. I'm sharing some tea with these guys, and it's about 1 a.m. Does this look dangerous to you? Very nice, guys. Your name? Nom ka? Osman. Umar. Sufyan. Nice to meet you. Salam. Nothing dangerous at all in this city, guys. It's all a lie. It's time to check out these fruits. Got the mango from Pakistan, cherries from Afghanistan, figs from Pakistan, and pomegranate from Afghanistan, which I have already cut. Look at this color. It is yellow. And that's what we're gonna start with. I have to say this one is not as sweet as the Moroccan ones, for example, of the ones from India or Spain. It's like a light version somehow, but the flavor comes very close to the red ones. Not my favorite. Next up, the cherry from Afghanistan. Surprisingly good. Comes close to the ones that I buy in the Netherlands, but they're a little bit less sweet. Next up, the Pakistani fig. Very ripe, but still not as sweet as the ones from Morocco, to be honest. And then we have these mangoes. Should be a special mango. I have no idea from which region. You can tell if you have a good mango already once you start cutting it. Very meaty and juicy. And the smell is amazing. Unbelievable. I'm sorry I'm eating like this. This is the way I eat fruits. Totally different compared to the ones I've tried yesterday or the ones I've eaten in Southeast Asia. See you on the next fruit meeting. Ciao, ciao.